Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the slow performance and how to speed up your OPPO Reno 15F. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and reduce animations in developer options. So to enable the developer options, we need to head over to settings. Now swipe down to about device and now go to the version right up top here. And now we're going to tap on the version number. As you guys can see, we got the notification that we are now in the developer mode, and now we need to open it. So let's leave the version and about device, tap on the system and update. Now we got the developer options right here, and what are we going to do is we're going to find the animations. So we need to scroll a bit down. And this is basically just searching for it. It should be here. We got the window animation scale, transition animation scale, we got the animator duration scale, and of course we can basically disable the animations right here, because as you guys can see, we can also make them 10x, but this is how it will look like. So as you guys can see, we want to make sure that we made them like 0.5, and of course I need to change the animations now to 0.5, and the animation scale of course to the 0.5. As you guys can see, we got our animations. They're practically non-existent right now. They're much faster. And what are we going to do next is we're going to clear the cache. So let's leave the developer options and settings. Now tap on the cleanup and boost right here. Click on agree and continue. And as you guys can see, we got everything right here. So there's 249 megabytes that can be freed up. Let's click on boost now. And as you guys can see, we got rid of it. Now we got everything right here. We can go for system boost. And this is basically to update the performance and clean everything on our device. What are we going to do next is, of course, we got some cache in the apps settings. So open up apps, app management, and now find the app that you want to free up cache on, or the app that you're using too much. I'll choose Google Play Store, tap on storage usage, and here we have the cache and the data. So the data will always come back. It also clears the cache automatically. But as you guys can see, whenever I open up the Google Play Store again, now everything will load up. We are on our account. We did not get logged off. And now let's tap on it. And we already get some data back and the cache back. So of course we need to clean it regularly. And what are we going to do next is we're going to make sure that we disable any unused widgets. So I do not have widgets that I do not use. As you guys can see, we can add some. So I can show you guys how it looks like. Now we don't really need this widget, so we can go over, click on remove widget right here and click remove. And now what are we going to do next as a last resort is restart our phone. So this will definitely refresh up the system. And now let's press the power button, volume up button at the same time, swipe up to restart, and that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.